In this transformative time, we are witnessing a profound awakening, a call from Spirit to rise above the familiar and to see ourselves and the world through a new lens. This journey toward a higher consciousness is not just a global mission, it's a deeply personal one, inviting each of us to look within, to rediscover our purpose, and to bring light into the shadows of our own lives. As we open ourselves to Spirit's guidance, we step into a divine unfolding, a path that is uniquely ours yet woven into the larger tapestry of humanity's awakening. Spirit is gradually guiding the shift in planetary consciousness, paving the way for a new Earth. This divine mission unfolds through collaboration with spiritual beings and lightworkers here on Earth, collectively known as God's team or God's organization. Spirit reaches only those attuned to this purpose, those aligned with God's call to bring light. This shift took root around the 1950s, evident in the transformative spirit of the children of that era. By the early 1960s, these young minds began calling for change, rebelling against outdated norms. Today, we witness resistance from those clinging to old structures, striving to hold onto power that no longer serves humanity's highest good. Look closely, and you'll see a pattern, a grand design crafted by God. Spirit is now illuminating hidden truths, unveiling what has been shrouded in darkness. Here in Aotearoa, New Zealand, for example, Spirit has worked through the Royal Commission of Inquiry into Abuse in Care, exposing deep-seated abuses within religious institutions and other organizations. Globally, in the coming years, Spirit will continue revealing what has long been hidden, leading us into an era of truth and accountability. To my family and friends, I urge you to look inward, to discover who you truly are and why you are here. For those who may dismiss my words, know that I hold only love for you. I understand you may not yet have glimpsed the depths of life, death, or divine purpose. I was chosen by God for a specific role, a purpose that has shaped my life. I share this boldly because you, too, have a purpose awaiting you. Seek Spirit's guidance to uncover it. For me, there were long seasons of silence and solitude, necessary to experience the full spectrum of earthly life. Isolation led to transformation, and now I stand here to share the message I've been given. My time of hiding is over. I endured those years to arrive at this moment of truth. As Spirit continues to unveil hidden truths and inspire humanity to reach new heights, let us each be inspired to walk in our own light, grounded in purpose and guided by love. May we approach these times of transformation with open hearts, trusting that every challenge and revelation leads us closer to truth. Together, through our individual callings, we create the new earth, a world where Spirit's light shines through each of us, illuminating the way for all. Let us move forward with courage, faith, and the certainty that we are each here for a reason, connected by a shared vision of a brighter, more compassionate world.